Nuwave Bravo Convection Toaster Ovens Air Fryer Combo with 30 QT large capacity for a whole chicken and 13 pizza. Multi-layer cooking, probe feature, 100 plus presets, one touch smart control countertop. About this item: 112 presets. Bravo Convection Oven is programmed with 12 preset cooking functions for air frying, grilling, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting and more. It also has additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets. Multi-layer cooking with 4 rack positions and multi-purpose racks. Multi-layer cooking is more convenient than ever before. Bravo Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo's heavy-duty racks can withstand loads over 30 pounds. Cooking delicious meals for the entire family is now easy. Intuitive digital controls set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable and precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off, our heater never turns off while cooking. Integrated smart digital thermometer. Once the desired donor's temperature is set, Bravo constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. Save your own recipes. Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven has built-in 50 memory slots where you can save your own favorite recipe.